Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, wireless charging station. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.